to talk without crying. Please to drink some water. Please.
Not cry.
Please. Please.
I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna tell you no. Me and this man was okay. Listen to my side of the story now. Because it's just like how you can go on the people comment section to feel like people can laugh off of me. I'm gonna explain. Me and this man was okay. Until he said he wants to keep an official match. So him go under Kitty and him build relationship with him and Kitty. Gift to them and Kitty people until them start behave. Till them start build group. Them start build group, them come and them shoot film and whatever. Listen, the problem lies. All of a sudden, him and this woman start get up 6 o'clock in my morning, start talk. Him start talk 12 o'clock. Sometimes him drop asleep in the group call. Sometimes him start drop asleep in the hours at night. One day, I scroll up on the For You page, I hear this man and say, oh, perfect, I show up rice body. Out of all of the man them on TikTok, why a rice body perfect, I show up? You never address it. Tell me now, Big Banks. You never expect me to feel that way. Tell me, Coco. You never expect me. Why never address them to come up in the box and say, boy, me and Mackerel be a father and a perfect body and a my body. Why you never address it? When me start talk, you want to fly down my throat. You want to do this, you want to do that. Wanna tell me, I don't have all right for feel that way. I said to the man, the baby Africa, I want doctor's appointment. I said to the man, watch the baby prom. So instead of have the baby in my hand for the whole day, because you know how doctors stay. You know how them things they stay.
Yeah.
You spend the whole day, right, Tally? I said, the baby prom dirty. I said, wash the baby prom.
Take a deep breath. All right.
I said to you, wash the baby prom, because you know the baby have to go for admission the next day. You never wash the baby prom. Me, I put the clothes them in the machine. I'm never tell you to wash the baby prom. I said, I want to carry the baby prom to the car wash. That's what I said. I said, I want to carry the baby prom to the car wash. I put the clothes them in the machine. And you know what you did? You go put a car with perfect. Everything is perfect. You attend to perfect when you attend. Do you want a baby? But you're not going to understand where I'm coming from. But this is what Sagittarius people do. They play the victim. We are telling you this all I own. I try to do everything in my powers. Everything. Rosalie come. She bring him down. Everybody come. They bring him down.
Mackerel, you don't think. Listen to me. You see, your tears right now, perfect, are going to get worse than where you are get. Because that's all right. That's something. Yeah.
Tell you. I stand. Tell you I stand up.
You need somebody around you, Mackerel. You can't just continue like this by yourself. You need somebody around you. You're alone.
Tell him that I have no mother. Tell him that I have no put. Even when my mother feel like she can't come and disrespect him, I stand up. Even when everybody come up. But you see the movement. We gotta make two and a baby.
The interstellar and the baby kid the money done long time, Mackerel. Why you worry about that for that at least? Remember you near Mackerel, you're not just come. You're there a long time.
Exactly.
When rice will fade away, when you're going to fade. Remember you bring vibes to the internet. You bring content.
I'm going to tell you no why. Because I always hope. I always hope for my baby to have a mother and a father. I always hope.
All of us do, but sometimes we don't have things like that, Mackerel. We have to live with life, expect the unexpected.
Listen.
Just stand up and listen. I'm telling you to call me now, you know.
Listen.
May I listen?
I always been to my mother-in-law when I have problems. But you always said, ooh, stop from calling my mother. And then stop. Because the truth and the fact, It is
Your
his
mother.
mother, not mine.
Right.
Not mine.
And you know you don't have no mother for call upon and take
I'm
advantage of
not
you.
a motherfucker. So he said, don't call my mother. And I stop.
It's
That's why
okay.
she don't know certain
Yeah, because you don't want your mother know where my do. That's all the problem. Well, look here. He can tell you not to call his mother, but he can't tell you not to call Jesus. There, go down by your knee. You have necessity.
Exactly.
God
I'm
answers
tell you.
prayer.
You see
God
me,
answers
I'm telling you
prayer.
something about me. I'm a peacemaker. I love peace. Yeah, we sit here and argue with me and I just don't say nothing.
Keep
It's not
you.
because I can't say anything. It's because I just love peace. And because I love peace, people take disadvantage.
Rackle, rackle me, Messiah children, rackle me, rackle, rackle me, rackle, rackle me. On Zion children, rock hold me. Riot crazes. May I drive? I got dentist, got to take out one wisdom teeth to play up on me. And may I drive? I want to lay the car, I should say, Queenie, Dexter dead. Dexter was married with who was your wedding? Let me say, Dexter Miller, she said. She said, his mother find him asleep. Him go sleep and his mother find him. Riot crazes. Every minute somebody dead. I'm afraid to say the dentist at Dominican Republic. When I go to my teeth, when I get the veneer, I'm going to ready to go back and clean up my veneer for years. Say. The man crash and dead. My friend daughter, you know, and the spirit just tell me fish chant, rackle, rackle me, rackle me, Mount Zion children, fucking hell, right crazy. Every minute somebody dead. I just got to cut my teeth now. And so when the woman said to me, said, it's like the way I hear how much people are dead. When I hear some people dead, it's like I can't believe. It's like them can't dead. Like to me, I say, what? Every minute tomorrow, my auntie are bury. Rackle! Rackle me! And that I find myself a driver sing. I don't even remember that friggin' song where it come from. Rackle! Rackle me! Mount Zion children! Rackle me! Rackle! Every minute somebody dead. Every minute somebody dead. I'm not a driver saying no. Fuck that. 3 pants turn. Sorry boss. A legal turn this man. I'm not drive this one. Yeah. Every God almighty minute who no got in bed and drop asleep and wake up, who drop asleep on the toilet, who get poison, house. No. Live. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, I'm saying hello. Are you
How
not
is?
saying anything? What's up?
No, anything. No, anything. Myself, LiQWYD Singh. LiQWYD Singh. 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 Singh.